Good morning, fellow peeps and folks. I'm Allie, and today we're gonna play Heavy Rain. Last time we had 3 scenes, like 3 chapters, I guess. We will go back to the main menu first, because we definitely have some sort of extra. Did we already see that concept art? I think we did. I'm not sure, but we might have. Achievements. We have cat and mouse. We beat him in the cold storage, yes. And we defeated the bodyguards. I mean, yeah. I did have to get into the QTEs at first, but it worked. Ooh, the butterfly. So I guess that is wait, the chapter with the, yeah, it was called the bear. So we're gonna get to the second trial. This is the power plant or something. So fun. And you can now see what time it is right now. It is morning. I mean, 9 is still morning, right? For me it is. But yeah. Alright. Like, it has been snowing during the night, and just a teensy tiny bit is lying there on the ground. And I'm happy that it's just a tiny bit. But it is something, so, you know? It's snow. The cold finally has a sense. But here, it's not snowing, it's raining. Last time, like, Ethan and Madison met, we found out that her name is Madison. We had Norman, you know, chase someone. And then we had Scott and Lauren as helper get to this rich guy who basically confessed to be the killer. I'm not sure yet, but he kind of said, yeah, I'm doing that. What's your problem with it? And because he's giving up that information way too easily, that's why I'm kind of like doubting stuff. I mean, there's still story left, I guess, so we'll see. Nope, not enough. Oh, there's a butterfly. As if it was leading us. I mean, it could be leading us. Since this is the butterfly trial. Oh. We can see the electricity. I'm just gonna follow the butterflies because that's how it seems to be. Or do I have to go like inside the building first? Yeah, this seems super dangerous. You could get shocked. Let's go there first. Of course it's locked. Can't you do anything about it? Back to the butterfly, I guess. So, can I do anything here? Or is this just, you know, a way to lead? Do we have to go inside here somewhere? I mean, I hope not. I fear that we will have to. Yeah, be careful, Ethan. I'm gonna try my best to not fail you on those. Yeah, I just said I'm gonna try my best. And now you left behind your DNA. Fun. Yeah, I don't want to get too close to like the actual electric whatevers. There has to be like a side entrance. Yeah, there's the butterfly again. Matches. Right. I wonder what the matches are for. Are we gonna have to ignite a fire somewhere? Wow. And it's closed now and we can't go back. Fun. Because people always like when they can't go back anywhere. Ooh. Yeah, that's gotta hurt.
Glass. Broken glass. Sharp as a razor. Impossible to go back. I'm gonna have to crawl through it, slowly, so I don't tear up my arms.
Can't you, like, you know, just take off your jacket and sweep the glass away with your jacket in front of you? I'm going slowly. But that's gotta hurt. To the right, of course. Why do you need a...
The match flame. It indicates where the fresh air comes from. All I have to do is follow the wind.
Or follow the butterfly. Oh, okay, I have to go there. That's gotta hurt so much. Right, now we gotta strike the match. Alright. To the left. Yeah, I'm feeling bad for him. Like, glass is shitty. Still think he should have like taken his jacket off and just sweep away the glass to the side before he gets through that. But I guess that's not his kind of idea. I wonder if there's like a sort of time limit. Alright, let's strike a match, see if we have to go somewhere there.
Rats. Charming. If they got in, then maybe I can get out.
Alright, follow the rats now. Let's see what the match says. I don't know, like, there's still like a... Yeah, turn around. And now let me have the match again because I don't know where it actually... Alright. So... No. Honestly, how does he turn? I have no idea where he turns, so as soon as he turns, I don't know where he needs to go again. Alright, that seems to be... No. Why isn't he going the way I want him to go? So now can you like double check? Alright. Yeah, like, it's confusing because every way looks the same, and as soon as the camera angle changes, I have no idea where I was. And still, that glass. 'Cause all we are is broken glass, thrown to the floor, we were never meant to last. And I hope I don't get copyrighted for that. But it's a song that went into my head right now. Alright. Let's see. To the right. Alright. seems like there's some light. Light at the end of the tunnel. I don't know what else to say because it's like this long sequence of just doing the same thing. But I guess we're out. Oh, he has cuts everywhere. That doesn't look great. I mean, of course it doesn't.
Keep it together, Ethan. Come on. Whatever, I don't really have a choice.
Not really.
There's no other way out. To jump or not to jump. Fuck that. Don't even know where it leads. Could lead to hell for all I know.
Yeah, but...
I will not give up.
Like you said...
I'm in this all the way to the bitter end if it saves my son. Stupid fucking pipe. And Sean is gonna die because of me.
You need to go there. I mean, it's this or back through the glass to a door that isn't open. I mean, if you don't go there, you're gonna die either way, so... Let's see what's waiting for us. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Ooh. I thought he would like rush right into those. Electrical circuits and stuff. But he's still too close to them. Is he gonna have to go? Is this a maze? No. I hate mazes. Please don't tell me it's a maze and I have to get through without being shocked. Fun.
Better have a good look at each one of those condensers.
Yeah.
If I choose the right route, I'll have a better chance of coming through this in one piece.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I didn't come this far to give up now. I've got to go all the way if I want to save Sean. A field of electric condensers. I've got to go through them to reach that butterfly.
You think?
Got to concentrate. The slightest wrong move and I'll get an electric shock.
You think?
I better leave while I'm still alive. I'm
So
not
the
going to
door-
save Sean by dying here. A butterfly. There's a butterfly over there.
I'm
That's
not
where I
gonna
should
go through the coward door, though.
A field of electric condensers. Looks like the last trial before reaching the butterfly. I must have lost a lot of blood.
Yeah.
I can hardly stand up. These condensers are alive. If I so much as touch them, I've had it. The spaces are different. Some condensers look easier to pass than others.
Alright.
I'm gonna have to find another way out.
Alright. I'm trying to get a good look at them because the thing is, it shows me something I can do. But I don't know if that means that I'm gonna go through already or just look at it. Yeah, no, that one seems way too dangerous. This also has not much of a space. That one looks as if there's not much electricity going on here. I hope that was the right one. Alright, I think, like, I tried to look through the whole thing. Yeah, that one. Because there seem to be those that have less, like, of the electricity going. That might be a sign to look for. Like, in the game. Just something to choose the right path, you know? I gotta take that one. I hope I'm right. This could go really badly if I fail. Alright, I want to see more. I think it's this one. If not, I'm done and fucked, but until now it seems to be on the right path. I mean, obviously it's this one. This is tense because I'm like I can't stop holding those things before I'm sure he's through. Yeah, I'm not sure because that on the left looks more like something. No, that definitely doesn't look like the right way. You can get through. Can you? Whew! We made it! I do sound a lot more surprised. That was intense. Poor boy. Roosevelt. It's something with Roosevelt. Hey, I'm pretty good at Hangman. If it's not, you are free to laugh at me. But if it's something with Roosevelt, like Roosevelt Road or something, Because there seem to be like 4 letters left, so road seems to fit there. There might be path, but road seems to be a little bit. Electrified! It's an achievement. Honestly, I don't know if I can handle this right now. I'm gonna go back. I mean, the achievement is probably just for getting through. But I still wanna complete the butterfly trial successfully. And I'm happy we did. I really wanna, like, pass this. I would feel so bad if I complete, like, 4 of the 5 trials and then the 5th I just fail completely. But yeah, we still have time for a little bit more. What a shocker. Sorry. We're creeping upwards with the inches, but it's still not even half of it, so there needs to be a lot more story left. What I thought.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he's not feeling well. He's been, you know, crawling through glass and then trying not to get electrocuted. I hate those things where I have to hold. And then I have to do that one. I'm not prepared for those. It was the same with the bathtub that one time. Where I needed like 5 minutes to get out of the bathtub.
Ethan. Ethan, can you hear me?
Yeah, don't die on us. We only completed trial 2.
I'm gonna have to get your clothes off to disinfect those wounds.
Yeah, because every time you fail to... Every time you fail to, like, put someone's clothes off, you... you stop in the middle of it and put them back on. That's just how she did it.
Arms look really bad. I need to disinfect your wounds.
Yeah, let's get up. And not go outside. Wrong door. And the box is on the table. Ooh. First I'm gonna disinfect the wounds, but I hope we get time to look at it. Because I want him to explain stuff to her and her to help him. He needs help. Like, this is only the second
doctor,
trial and
but
he's
I'll do what I
looking
can.
worse than ever. First, disinfectant. I mean, you're not gonna put on the bandages and then put on the disinfectant, right? But that's like the worst thing you could ever do. And again, I have no idea how slow I gotta do this.
Your wounds are disinfected.
Alright, give him medicine. He looks really bad right now. Ooh, that's... I'm not sure. Like, you shouldn't give people antibiotics without, like, a doctor telling you to. Anti-fever. Does he have a fever? Like, I don't have enough information. He already took the painkiller, though. Too much of it. Let's let... I don't know. If I give him the sleeping pills, is he not gonna be able to do the trials? I'm gonna give him more painkiller because I don't want to risk whatever is gonna happen if I give him the sleeping pills. Now we're gonna use the ointment. I mean, you could always put on the bandages and then put ointment all over it.
Sorry, I'm stupid. I'm using anti-burn ointments on your cuts.
Oh, then don't. Why did you take it then? I mean, I wasn't able to read the thing. I didn't know it was anti-burn ointment. You didn't tell me.
He's unconscious. Now I'll just have to wait. And hope he wakes up.
Yeah. You know, sleeping pills wouldn't have done much more. So we can't look at the box now? So we would have to look at the box before bandaging him up. Ugh. I hope we still have a chance to do it. Yeah, he's in bad shape.
How do you feel?
The thing is, he
I've
did
been
have
better.
cuts on his legs, and those
Was I
are...
out for long?
About 3 hours.
Why the guardian angel act? You don't even know me.
When I was a child, I was always the one who used to fix my brothers up when they'd been fighting with the other kids on the block. I suppose I like to play the guardian angel.
Alright. I didn't want to say no choice, because it seems like, yeah, I didn't want to, but...
You said you were here because you're an insomniac?
Let's tell the truth.
I've been going through a bit of a tough patch the last few months. It's the kind of stuff you prefer to forget. I do what I can to live with it, but, it's not easy. You got some kind of a problem?
Bigger than you can possibly imagine.
I'm sorry, I shouldn't be asking you questions. I mean, after all, we hardly know each other. You have no reason to trust me.
Listen, I'm truly grateful for your help, but for your own sake, I think it's better if you don't ask any
I
questions.
just said...
Maybe I could help you.
No one can help me. You've already done a lot, Madison.
Right.
I wish I would have looked into the box before.
I'm gonna go.
That's something I wish I would have done before bandaging him up, but I was like, maybe I can do it later. I wish he would, you know, just accept her help or stuff. So that's some kind of like lizard. Make a sacrifice. Oh no. Like the suffering was actually, I mean, it was a better trial because it was like only for himself, like danger for himself and no one else.
I didn't do it. I swear I didn't do it. I've got nothing to do with that business. I never killed nobody.
Oh, no? Then why did you run away when they came to question you?
I already told you I forgot to report to my parole officer. I didn't want to go back to prison. When I
Right?
saw the cops, I just bolted. I wasn't thinking straight.
We checked out his statement. He has an alibi for at least 3 of the murders.
Yeah, he's not the one.
That bastard was a perfect fit. Shit!
Ash? Okay.
Okay.
Sean Moss's mother's here.
Oh,
She'd like to speak with you.
alright.
It was a few months back. The middle of the night. It was pouring down. Ethan came home completely drenched at about 3. I asked him where he'd been. He spoke about drowning, the rain. He didn't make any sense. There
Alright.
was something in his eyes. As if it wasn't really him.
Well, he did have those blackouts.
There may be no connection, but the next day there was that announcement about another victim of the origami killer. Find my son.
I mean,
I'm begging you.
I guess that might have been while he was in such a blackout. Like, she might have just seen him during a time like that.
Lieutenant Carter Blake. This is Agent Norman Jaden of the FBI. According to our information, Ethan Mars is one of your patients. We'd like to ask you a few questions about him.
I'm sorry, that's impossible.
Of course.
I beg your pardon?
I'm bound by an oath of secrecy. Under no circumstances may I discuss my patients.
My job is to find Sean Mars alive, and I don't give a damn about any bullshit oath.
It's your duty to inform the police if you suspect one of your patients, Doctor.
I'm sorry, I can't help you. Now I must ask you to leave.
You need to cooperate. For your own sake.
Sean Mars's life may depend on what you know. Tell us what you know, Doctor.
Are you threatening me?
I'm just giving you some free advice, Doc. I suggest you take it.
Yeah.
Blake, that's enough. Let's get out of here.
I am going to call the police and make a complaint about your behavior.
Why?
Doctor, you are really pushing my buttons. The only thing I'm interested in is saving
Don't
that kid's
hurt him.
life. So, you're gonna be a good boy and tell me what I want to know, or I am really gonna lose my
Blake,
temper.
stop that immediately.
Let go of me. You have no right.
Yeah, he really doesn't have right to do that. He's way too aggressive.
Come on, Doc. There's an easy way and a hard way. It's your fucking choice.
You have no right to hit him.
I'm saving a kid's life for Christ's sake. If you don't like it, leave.
If you don't let go of this man immediately, I'll report you and you'll be off the case.
What the hell's the matter with you, Norman? But you get cold
You're
feet?
just
You wanna
punching
save
a
Sean Mars
man who
anymore?
has nothing to do with a
I'm
crime.
gonna save Sean Mars just as much as you do, but that doesn't give me all rights. So you're gonna stop this shit right now.
Ethan Mars has had psychological problems since his first son died. Feels responsible for his death. Sort of morbid neurosis. He is haunted by visions of drowning bodies. A few weeks ago, after one of our usual sessions, I found this on the floor. It must have fallen out of his pocket.
Mm-hmm. Yep, and they're gonna suspect him a lot. Achievement unlocked, good cop. Okay, I mean, yeah, I'm gonna end it after this scene either way, so,
Ash, I want you to sign every available...
yeah, sorry. But let's go to the achievements. Shrink and punches. Stop Blake from hitting Dupre? Whatever. Yeah, that's the thing. I totally agree with what Norman said there. Just because you're a cop, just because you want to save someone, yeah, that's fine. You want to do anything, okay. But that doesn't give you the right to hurt people that don't have anything to do with crime at all. Like, that man is only doing his job, and of course we don't like that he's not telling us everything, but technically there is this thing, you know, that he can't pretty much tell about his patient's problems and all that. That's just something that is, you know, common knowledge that doctors and psychiatrists, psychologists, you know, that they shouldn't talk about their patients' problems. So getting aggressive is not the way to do it. And I guess he told us this information because Norman helped and was like, nope, we're not gonna try to beat the information out of him. Just hold it, you know? I mean, we might just make Lieutenant Blake even more of our enemy. But honestly, I wish I could have stopped the beating before he was hurt. Maybe I could have if I threatened him before. But yeah, I'm happy about the way this went. Like, we got information and we still were like the good person. Like, we stopped violence. And that's how it is, and that's what we want to do. I never want to go the aggressive way. That's why I tried to, like, reason with him at first, and then threaten when it wasn't, like, when there was, like, the last possible option, like, to help him, to leave, or to threaten him. So there I was like, okay, I gotta be a little bit more assertive here. For the good of the people, you know? But yeah. So that trial with the glass was, ooh, tense and tedious because I still would have wanted him to just use his jacket to swipe it off, because that just would have been the way better option. He wouldn't have lost as much blood. He might have been a little bit cold, but you know, what's that in comparison to like cuts all over your arms and legs, which Madison didn't bandage. So I'm like, yeah, you bandaged one arm, girl. I doubt that this is the only arm that has cuts. But yeah, I wish I had looked into the box, or like at the box at least. Maybe it would have like given me something to let him open up or something, but I guess that doesn't work that way. There might have been a way. But I was like, okay, let's help him first. And that's sometimes a problem, because then you don't have the chance to do it anymore. But yeah, I guess that's it for this episode. We completed the butterfly trial. Okay, like the glass was tedious and it hurt to see, but the electrical maze, basically, that was intense, because I mean, I did have a strategy to look for those that don't have like the electrical lightning circuit thingies going on, but honestly I wasn't sure until the very end. So yeah, but we went through alright, I guess. I'm happy with like almost all storyline thingies. Like, I'm not happy with everything about Madison because I didn't look at the box, and I don't know about the Scott stuff yet, but I'm happy what we get to do, like, with Ethan and Norman, because, like, Ethan, yeah, he's getting hurt, but we are completing the trials, and there might be a chance to just save Sean the conventional way and find out where he is and stuff. And with Norman, we're getting, you know, the good cop path, basically. So I'm happy with that. Alright, so on this note, have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!